Hello friends! In this video, I am going to review the top 5 best steam irons just for you. Here, I have tested 5 different best steam irons to see which one offers value for your money. If you are looking for a good product in terms of quality and price, then all of them are reasonable. These products are budget-friendly and offer the best of the best. Here is a summary of each product's usefulness, why you should buy it, and what to watch out for. I have compiled a list of these 5 best products based on my user experience to help you make a quick decision as a buyer. So, let's get started.
Product number 1. Black & Decker Easy Steam Compact Iron. Experience Black & Decker Easy Steam Compact Iron for clothes. Anti-drip Smart Stream technology. Engineered to prevent dripping by maintaining water at the proper temperature needed to generate steam. Volts, 120 volts. Wattage, 1200 watts. Requires AC power. Easy fill translucent water tank. 3-way auto shutoff. Get peace of mind with motion-sensitive technology that automatically shuts off the iron if left inactive on its heel, side, or sole plate. To clean iron, wipe sole plate and outer surfaces with a soft cloth dampened with water.
Product number 2. Steam Iron for Clothes 20S Fast Heat Up. Experience Steam Iron for Clothes 20S Fast Heat Up. The 1700-watt iron's high-powered heating element ensures even heat distribution across the sole plate, providing fast and efficient preheating, and heats up in just 20 seconds. Not a used item. Each Iron Day steam iron is water tested before leaving the factory to ensure the quality and safety of the product, so some water may remain in the water tank, which is normal for the pre-testing process. Product number 3. CHI Steam Iron for Clothes. Experience CHI Steam Iron for Clothes with 300+ holes for powerful steaming. Made with CHI flat iron technology, this iron is designed using the same titanium-infused ceramic sole plate technology that powers CHI's hairstyling tools, including the flagship CHI G2 flat iron. Powerful steam for effortless ironing. With over 300 steam holes, this iron for clothes delivers powerful steam that makes steaming out wrinkles smooth and fast. Product number 4. Rowenta Iron Steamer. Experience Rowenta Iron Steamer for Clothes. Powerful steam boost. Experience efficient wrinkle removal with the steamer iron for clothes, featuring up to 135 grams per minute burst and 35 grams per minute continuous steam. Exceptional coverage. Enjoy superior steam distribution with over 400 micro steam holes on the clothes iron with steamer, delivering efficient ironing on a variety of fabrics. Product number 5. Steam Iron for Clothes Rapid Heating. Experience Steam Iron for Clothes Rapid Heating. Quality tested. Each Iron Day steam iron is water tested before leaving the factory to ensure the quality and safety of the product, so some water may remain in the water tank, which is normal for the pre-testing process. 20 seconds fast heating. The 1700-watt iron's high-powered heating element ensures even heat distribution across the sole plate, providing fast and efficient preheating, and heats up in just 20 seconds.